Mental disorder in the health. The study of the disease burden due to the mental disorders shows that 19.7 crore people in India suffered from some mental disorder. The study, which is a first of its kind, was a part of India's state level disease burden initiative that was conducted by ICMR, PHFI, and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for the period 1990 to 2016. The initiative was launched in October 2015 to address the knowledge gap. 14.3% of the Indians, constituting 19.7 crores, suffered from mental disorders in 2017. The prevalence of the mental disorders has doubled between 1990 and 2017. Most common among the mental disorders include depression, anxiety, which affected 4.6 and 4.5 crore people respectively. The anxiety disorders include generalized anxiety disorder (GAD), panic disorder, phobias, social anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder (OCD), and post traumatic stress disorder (PTSD). Other commonly found mental disorders include idiopathic developmental intellectual disability 10.8% and schizophrenia 9.8%. Besides, southern states witnessed higher prevalence of adult mental disorders compared to northern states. Mental disorders contribute to 4.7 percentage of total DALY's disability adjusted life years, the sum of total years of life lost and years lived with disability in India, up from 2.5% in 1990 to 4.7%. It has increased currently. DALY's total DALY's has increased currently. Depression, anxiety on the rise. Of these had depressive 4.5 crore people have depressive disorders, and 5 crore have anxiety disorders. Out of those 4.7%, that is 4.7%, the contribution of mental disorders to the total disability adjusted life years in India in 2017, up from 2.5% in 1919. 19.7 crore people had mental disorder in India in 2017. 33.8% depressive disorders, 19% anxiety disorders, and 10.8% idiopathic developmental intellectual disability, and 9.8% schizophrenia. State-wise data list. Under states with high socio-demographic index (SDI), incidence of depressive disorders was highest in the Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Goa, and Telangana. Under states with middle SDI, Andhra Pradesh topped the list. Anxiety disorders were found to be more common in Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, and Maharashtra. Challenges. Neglect. India spends about 0.04% of its health budget on the mental health care. Shortage of personnel. India is also extremely short on the number of mental health professionals. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, there were 3,800 psychiatrists and 898 clinical psychologists and 850 psychiatric social workers and 1,500 psychiatric nurses nationwide as of December 2015. Stigma. Mental disorder is widely stigmatized in Indian society and thus receive low levels of care. Substance abuse. Close to 25% of DALYs related to mental disorders are due to alcohol related substance abuse. Stress. Stress is a major contributor to depression and anxiety related disorders. About Mental Health Care Act 2017, passed in March 2017, it aims to provide for mental health care and services for persons with mental illness and ensure these persons have the right to live a life with dignity by not being discriminated against or harassed. Every person shall have a right to access mental health care and treatment from mental health services run or funded by the government. It assures free treatment for such persons if they are homeless or belonging to below poverty line, even if they do not possess a BPL card. A person with mental illness shall have the right to make an advance directive that states how he or she wants to be treated for the illness and who his or her nominated representative shall be. Central Mental Health Authority to look after regulatory issues like registration, supervision, and to set quality and standards in the mental health profession. The Act also decriminalized suicide. about the India state level disease burden. The India State Level Disease Burden Initiative was launched in October 2015 to address the knowledge gap with support from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of the Government of India. This report describes the distribution and trends of diseases and risk factors for every state of India from 1990 to 2016. It is a joint effort between the ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, Public Health Foundation of India, Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation, and experts and stakeholders from about 100 institutions across the India.